So early this morning, we were out in Brooklyn at the Barclays Center in New York, checking out Samsung's latest and greatest Galaxy Note 9. Now, we had a lot of leaks and specs in regards to what to expect, so now we have all the pieces together. So you have a much more powerful phone with a lot going on than just a standard refresh. You see, you have four colors here. Unfortunately, only two will be coming to the US. They maintain the headphone jack, S Pen, added the dual speakers that was last seen on the S9, now tuned by AKG. So you have that more powerful audio. And speaking of more power, the Fortnite is coming to Android, but they added water carbon cooling system inside, on top of more RAM of 6 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM depending on the storage size, so we can prevent any type of Note 7 incidents happening. You do have the Snapdragon 845 processor. This time they upped the battery life, so instead of 3300, now you got all the way up to a 4000 milliamp battery, giving you all day battery life as they suggest. You still have the Super QHD AMOLED Infinity display, but instead of a 6.3, now we're up to a 6.4 inch screen size. So now we got the Bluetooth S Pen. So with this, you can do a little bit more than just drawing and translating the usual things. So now you can use the S Pen button as a remote camera shutter, navigate through slides, play and pause music, all with a press of a button. So the new S Pen will have a 30-minute battery life in regards to the newer features, and and will last all day long using the stuff it used to do. But it recharges in a matter of seconds when you put it back inside of the Note 9. So that's actually really cool idea. And just like on the S9, on the Note 9, they moved the fingerprint sensor to underneath the camera housing where it should have been. In regards to the camera, a lot of things are the same. In regards to setup, you still have the same modes as you swipe over. That hasn't changed. You have dual 12 megapixel cameras with a f1.5 and f2.4 sensors, both with optical image stabilization and, I think 2x optical zoom as well. But this time they decided to add a little bit of AI into their camera thing. So now they have Scene Optimizer that analyzes the environment and chooses up to 20 different scenarios to, get a better image for you. And then as well, they added flaw detection. So it lets you know if you have to retake a photo, if somebody blinked, with the bad lighting or something. So you'd be like, hold on, we didn't get the shot. That's actually pretty cool. And last but not least, we got DeX support, which attaches to the Note 9 via HDMI adapter. And that allows you to stream your Note to a monitor and do different things, but you could still use your phone as you would normally, which is pretty cool. So Note 9, color me impressed. So it's definitely more of a slight evolution than just a standard spec bump that you would normally get. Now Samsung's giving you a lot of power this time around, so now you're willing to pay for it, because the 6 gig RAM, 128 gigs of storage costs you $1,000, and 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gig storage will cost you $1,250. So it's a lot for a phone, even though you can max it out at 1 terabyte or 750 gigs, depending on which of the two storage sizes you get. So there you have it. Note 9, everything you need to know. Let us know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and take care. See you in the next video. Peace.